I got rejected.
That's doggone
Again.
History. Regular history class, to be precise. Not the watered-down version of missing content and endless worksheets. I want the whole experience. The nuisance, the debates, the systems, but it's lost me elsewhere. Special ed. They decided to close the doors before I got a chance to knock. Let me try science class. I wasn't handed lower expectations there, so I got to prove myself. Rumor has it that I couldn't take the class because of my autism. They wouldn't tolerate me getting over that hurdle in the beginning, which is something I think we all go through. I think if I try really hard and not let the opinions get to my head very much, I think I can easily do this class.
What sort of temper tantrum was the teacher throwing today? I think I'm in trouble. Why is the teacher acting like this?
You know, I keep seeing the word prisoner in this passage. Maybe they're in jail for a reason.
Hello? Hello? What is everyone talking about?
You really need to stop comparing history to yours. Everyone has their own unique challenges.